Welcome. If you want to keep your Instagram notifications private and prevent the content of first posts and stories from showing up on your lock screen, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to hide Instagram's first posts and stories notification content from your phone's lock screen. Let's get started. First, unlock your device and go straight to your phone settings. This is where you can control how every app on your phone sends notifications, including Instagram. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your device. Find and select Instagram from the list. This will take you to Instagram's specific settings. Now tap on Notifications. This section lets you customize exactly how and when you get notified by Instagram. Under the Instagram Notifications menu, look for the option labeled First Posts and Stories. This is the setting that controls notifications whenever someone you follow shares their first post or story of the day. Tap on First Posts and Stories to open its detailed notification settings. Here, you'll see several options for how these notifications appear. Find and tap on Lock Screen. This is the key step. You'll see a few choices for how notifications are shown on your lock screen. To keep your information private, select Hide Content. With this option enabled, your phone will still notify you about new first posts and stories, but the actual content and details will be hidden until you unlock your device. That's it. You've now set up your phone to hide Instagram's first posts and stories notification content on your lock screen. This simple change helps protect your privacy and keeps your notifications discreet, so only you can see what's new when you're ready. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who value their privacy too. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more private Instagram experience.